Is your apartment under siege by dust bunnies multiplying like gremlins after midnight? Ditch the bulky beasts of the cleaning world and meet the Eureka Mini, a mighty might packing a powerful punch. This lightweight champion weighs in at a mere 275 pounds, transforming from a handheld hero to a floor-dominating stick vacuum in seconds flat. But can this compact warrior truly conquer your cleaning chaos? This review delves deep into the features, functionalities, and potential drawbacks of the Eureka Mini, helping you decide if it's the secret weapon your cleaning arsenal needs. Lightweight champion, effortless cleaning on the go. Weighing in at a feather-light 275 pounds, the Eureka Mini boasts a design that's easy to maneuver and carry. This makes it ideal for quick cleanups, tackling tight spaces, and cleaning on the go. No more lugging around a bulky vacuum. The Eureka Mini lets you conquer dust bunnies with ease. Always ready, always powerful. Ditch the frustration of dead batteries. The Eureka Mini is a corded vacuum, ensuring consistent and powerful suction to tackle everyday messes. No need to wait for charging cycles. It's always ready to work when you are. 3-in-1 versatility. From stick vacuum to handheld hero, the Eureka Mini isn't a one-trick pony. It transforms from a handheld vacuum cleaner to a stick vacuum with the simple addition of the pole handle and floor nozzle. This versatility allows you to tackle a wider range of cleaning tasks, reaching furniture, stairs, car interiors, and other areas a traditional stick vacuum might struggle with. A crevice tool is also included for those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. Storage made simple. No more cord chaos. Keeping your cleaning tools organized can be a challenge. The Eureka Mini tackles this concern with a user-friendly design. It stands upright on its own, and the cord conveniently wraps around hooks on the back, keeping everything organized and preventing tangled messes. Low-maintenance marvel, easy on your wallet and time. The Eureka Mini is a bagless vacuum cleaner, minimizing the need for replacements and keeping your maintenance costs low. Simply clean the dust cup and wash the filter regularly to keep your vacuum cleaner performing optimally. Unveiling the perks, a deeper look at features. Beyond the core functionalities, the Eureka Mini boasts additional features that enhance the cleaning experience. Swivel steering. The head swivels completely around, allowing for effortless maneuvering under furniture and into corners. Versatile cleaning. Easily switch between the regular head and crevice tool for cleaning hard-to-reach places like cushions, car seats, and tight spaces. Free-standing design. No more leaning the vacuum against walls or searching for a charging dock. The Eureka Mini stands upright on its own for convenient storage during cleaning pauses. Cord management system. The Eureka Mini incorporates a thoughtful cord management system. A hook lets you clip the cord out of the way while cleaning, and a turnable cord wrap allows for easy cord storage. The final verdict, a compact powerhouse for everyday cleaning. The Eureka Mini corded stick vacuum offers a user-friendly and versatile solution for everyday cleaning tasks in smaller homes or apartments. The lightweight design, 3-in-1 functionality, and user-friendly features like the self-standing design and cord management system make it a convenient choice for quick cleanups and tackling messes on various surfaces. Ultimately, the Eureka Mini corded stick vacuum could be a strong contender for those in smaller living spaces or those who prioritize an easy-to-use and compact cleaning solution for everyday tasks. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.